Returning to IBIE was almost magical when Jorge and Dennis cut the bread and everybody filed into the West Hall. It was like all of the strife from the past 2 years just disappeared. It was amazing. I think the success of IBIE says so much about our industry, not only in how we were able to overcome seemingly impossible odds through the pandemic, but just the fact that IBIE was bigger and better than it was in 2019. That says a lot about how much this industry has come back and come back better. So the funny thing is about the road ahead and thinking of it like the Wizard of Oz yellow brick road. Everyone is talking about the future. We're all focused on we have to be prepared for the future. We can't just focus on what our needs are right now. But the fact remains that none of us have found a crystal ball. So it's really hard to predict what the future is going to be. But I think considering what we've been through and what we've accomplished, the future is going to be very strong. A big example of that is Darlene Nicosia, who is the new CEO of Hearthside Food Solutions. And as the new CEO, she brings this incredible perspective coming from the beverage industry and seeing the need for co-packing and how much co-manufacturing has increased in the past 2 to 3 years. And she's really looking at the future so optimistically because she can see the benefits of solutions like Hearthside, who are going to help keep this industry moving along and helping those up and coming brands. Well, we don't have a crystal ball. I think taking risks is the best way to invest in the future. And To Find Bakeries has done that incredibly by jumping in and taking risks and then taking the payoffs of those risks and investing back in the business for growth is a perfect way to think about the future without trying to predict what's going to happen when we don't know. So we've spent the last 3 years really thinking about what's going to happen to IBIE. Are we going to get there? And now that we've got there and we're through it, it's like this weight has been lifted and I just cannot wait to soar into the next 3 years.